Hi dear viewers, welcome once again to my channel. Today I'd like to share an apparatus that is related to how to determine density and sound velocity. So if you'd like to know about how to determine density and sound velocity, then a specific video will really helpful for you. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we will you can say clean this specific apparatus, that means in the internal portion of this apparatus, and we have used this syringe, and at first we have filled by using, you can say, rectified spirit, and in this specific syringe we have to ensure that there is no necessity to keep any kind of, you can say, bubbles, and if any kind of bubbles will exist, then there will be different kinds of problem in the internal portion of this specific apparatus. So we have checked it out, and by using this specific injector, we will push this specific injector, and we are, you can say, pushing rectified spirit, and we are cleaning the internal portion of this specific apparatus. And the next portion we have to clean. For the second time we will also use this specific syringe, so we can ensure that there is no necessity to any kind of bubbles in the internal portion of this specific syringe, and we have to be confirm about this thing. So dear guys, if you like to, you can say, clean this specific apparatus, then you have to confirm about this thing. That means after pushing rectified speed, you have to turn on the fan that is related to this specific, you can say, apparatus. Then when you will open or turn on this specific, you can say, fan, then internal portion of this specific apparatus will be, you can say, dried. So before, you can say, injecting our main sample, we have to be ensured about this kind of thing. In this specific segment, we will ensure we have to, you can say, attach or connect this specific pipe. So after attaching, we have to ensure about turning on the specific fan. We will, you can say, press this on the, you can say, fan icon, and fan will be open and drying procedure will be, you can say, started. Okay, after, you can say, turning on the fan, you are seeing that lots of parameters in the window. That means density, sound velocity, density, set temperature, and density temperature. But you are seeing that the density temperature is increasing when it will, you can say, equivalent to 50 degrees Celsius temperature. That means set temperature, that indicates that your validation will be completed, and after completion of the validity, then you will start your, you can say, sample. So we have to wait for that moment. You are seeing that density temperature is 50.037 degrees Celsius. It is, you can say, changing gradually, but you have to be clear about when you would like to equilibrate this specific apparatus. Then in this specific portion, you are seeing that belly, this term will be visible, but till this specific text, you have to be wait for getting such kind of message on the window. And the next portion, I would like to say that sometimes when you'd like to calibrate, that means when you have post rectified speed for drying, then after drying, if you get any kind of pop-up message like filling warning, that indicates that in the internal portion some bubbles are arised. So it creates different kinds of problem, and you will not able to determine or calculate, you can say, sound velocity, at the same time density velocity, using this specific apparatus. So you have to be unsure about this thing, and there are lots of options you are seeing. Say at the next portion, I would like to add something, the way by means of using, you will be able to, you can say, run a calculation using this apparatus, like sound and velocity, density meter. So stay tuned till that time. So wait and see what is gonna happen after a moment. And you are seeing that right now I'm filling and you can say syringe, and it's a sample, and I have to remove bubbles, because if any kind of bubbles is remain or exist in the internal portion, it will cause different kinds of problems in case of calculation. So stay tuned and enjoy the overall things that is gonna happen. So again I'll inject by using this syringe, and when I'll inject, at first I will slowly push, and then after a while I will wait for a moment. And you have to keep in your mind that in the last portion you have to keep approximately 0.5 ml, you can say, in the syringe portion. And at first I will press sample list, and I would like to add a name. I will push something like, I will add the name of this compound, and properly you can use abbreviated form of the compound like onfodioxane or something like this. It's totally up to you which kind of name you'd like to use, and I would like to use underscore, and I will use a name. So that's the name, and I will press 1 2 3. Sorry, I'll press another portion, and I'll press OK, and I'll move to the slider in the right portion and press drop down menu and TS temperature scan, and then I will press again OK. And in this specific portion, slowly I would like to show something that means end portion is 25 and intermediate step is 5 and start is 50 degrees Celsius temperature, and press OK. And after pressing OK, I will go to the main screen and I will press the start again. In this way we will be able to run the overall calculations that is related to, you can say, sound and density meter. So guys, that's it. So guys, if you'd like to know about how to use, you can say, density and sound velocity meter, then this video will really helpful for you. So if you have any kind of questions, if any kind of question arise in your mind, you can share this kind of questions in the comment box. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected with this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching this kind of videos. Assalamu alaikum.